What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, back for another video, and today I am going to be going through this stack of ones. It's a 100 ones that I got from the bank. I know I did a video last week that was similar, and I decided to give it another try. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. All right, guys, so I'm trying to go through this video a little bit faster than I did last video. I just like to be a little, precautious and take my time so that I don't miss anything, valuable or more than, the average dollar amount. Because that would suck if I didn't take my time and I missed something. Okay, so 0307 9600. That could have been a birthday note if the 9600 was a 1900. So a birthday note is when, it's in the form of someone's birthday. That one's a little worn though. Hoping we get a star note today, at least one, like we did last video. That was pretty cool. Okay, it looks like we have 666, and then we have an odometer note. So an odometer note is when the last couple numbers, maybe the last one or two, are slightly raised above the other ones. It's not leveled. And these typically go for, $2 to $3, maybe up to $5. Depending on the condition, of course. Okay. Oh, look at that. And we have our first star note. Awesome. Not even halfway through the pile yet. And we got a star note. So I'll put this to the side. If you guys want to look this up as well, I'm going to look it up. So in order to look up star notes, you have to go to Google, type in star note lookup, type in $1 bill, the year, which is 2017A, and then you type in the serial number. And you can see if this is less rare or more rare. All right, let's put this to the side. So we got one so far. Awesome. These are slightly raised too, but not enough to be worth anything. And the bill is worn. So let's see. Okay. Moving right along. That would be amazing if we got a low serial number note, which is mostly comprised of zeros and then maybe one or two other numbers. Those are very valuable. So right now I'm trying to see if I can find some trinary or binary bills. Trinary would be 3 numbers and binary would be 2 numbers. So in the entire serial number, you would only have 2 or 3 numbers consecutively. Trinaries are worth up to $5. Binary is worth a lot more. $295. Okay, 29. So that was almost. That's 4 numbers instead of 3. Let's see. Okay. Oh, this one is really worn. Okay, so if the 1 and the 9 were switched, this would be a birthday note. 09239188. But if it was 1988, this would have been a birthday note. $2023. Nice crispy bill. Doesn't look like we're getting much out of this pile, guys, but I'm still hopeful. We have a little bit more to go, probably a little less than half, or right around half. We'll see if we can find something. Okay, 555. This was 2 8s, it would have been a trinary. And you guys can do this too. You just go to your local bank and ask them for $100 worth of $1 bills. And you can, go through these, see if you can find anything valuable. And then if you don't, just go and deposit it right back into your bank account. Very lucrative hobby where you spend, you don't always have to spend a lot. And if you find anything, let me know. Send me a message. Write down in the comment section if you found anything by doing this. I found a couple, valuable bills. Nothing really big yet, but you never know. I'm surprised we haven't found any trinaries yet. Usually I find a lot of those. $3,000. If this was 3,000 and 3,000, that would be a repeater note worth about 20 bucks. It's a nice bill though. 5454. Okay. Five, 4, 5, 4. Okay. So if this was 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, that would be called a super repeater. And those are worth hundreds of dollars in good condition. This one is a little worn, but yeah, super repeater. 79, 78, 78. Oh, that stamp on there. Interesting. Not sure what that was for. All right, we're getting to the end of the pile. Oh, got some really old bills in here. Very wrinkled. Okay, and last bill. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and clean this pile up, and then I'll do a recap. Okay, guys, so we found this star note. We found this odometer note. And lastly, this futuristic birthday note for the year 4029. I don't know if we really want to count this one, but it's still pretty cool. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.